In this video, I will talk about two major methods I have experienced in making money on Redbubble and Zazzle. With Redbubble, I started almost 1.5 years ago, and about 1 year for Zazzle. After you learn about them, and you believe this is something you also want to do, I am going to share my recommendation on how to get started. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style. This is Trevor. So what are Zazzle and Redbubble? They are two print-on-demand websites that allow you to shop physical product online as a customer. Or you can also sell their product as an artist or designer with your own design on their platforms. We are talking about t-shirts, coffee mugs, hats, jigsaw puzzles, duvet covers, pillows, birthday cards, wedding invitations, wall art, and many more. Print on demand, or POD in short, meaning the products are made per order. Both Redbubble and the Zazzle platforms will handle all the fulfillment and customer service for you as the seller when you make a sale, which means you don't have to do invoices, packaging and shipping, even order cancellations or refunds from the customers. And because they take care of everything, you don't need to worry about needing a storage space for your inventory, because there's no inventory for you to keep. You only need to focus on creating new designs and building up your stores using their platforms. You get to set your own prices for each of your products, and you get paid with royalty when you make sales. Once you list your products, they are online for sales 24/7. That means you have the opportunity to make money anytime in 365 days. Either when you are awake or asleep, when you are running errands or at work, even when you are on vacations. This is called a passive income business model. You will put in the works and they will stay and continue to make money for you for many years as long as the company is up and running. Redbubble has been around for 15 years now and almost 17 years for Zazzle, and they are still growing strong year after year. Other print-on-demand sites I have experience with are Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and TeePublic. But by far, I have most successes with Redbubble and Zazzle. That's why I want to talk about these two platforms at this time with my print-on-demand business journey. So the first method of how to make money on Redbubble and Zazzle is print-on-demand. You simply sign up an account on their websites for free, and you can start your online business right away. Regarding the requirements, according to my research, you have to be at least 16 years of age to sell on Redbubble and at least 13 years of age to sell on Zazzle for legal reasons. Other than that, I believe as long as you have access to their website, wherever you are, you should be able to do it. Let me briefly show you on my computer. So, you are looking at the Redbubble homepage, and as you can see, they are celebrating their 15 years as I mentioned to you earlier. What you want to do now is go to sign up, and when you are on this page, you want to select artist sign up, and what you will have to do is to fill in your email, and you need to come up with a store name. I suggest you do a little bit of a research online like Google just to check and see if somebody else has already gotten the name you have in mind, because you don't really want that, do you? And this is the Zazzle homepage. What you want to do is go to Sell on Zazzle, click on that, and you want to go to here again, another Sell on Zazzle buttons, click that. So you go to register, and you will sign up with your email address and password. Once you're inside, you also will have to come up with a store name, just like Redbubble. The next step is to create your design and put them on the available products. So what kind of graphic design tools will you need, right? For me, personally, I have been using Adobe Illustrators and some Photoshops. I have those softwares long before I learned about print on demand. So that's what I've been using. But through times I did learn about there are free tools online that you could use. The first one I heard about is called Inkscape, and it's similar to Adobe Illustrators from what I heard. I have not personally used the program. So on that site, you probably would want to go to download and just choose current version, and you should be able to download the latest free version of Inkscape onto your computer. Next one I heard about is called Photopea, and this one is similar to Photoshop. Also, I have not used this one before, but definitely it's a free tool that you could get on and try out. The next one is a popular one. It's called Canva. A lot of people talk about this. You can use it for free, so you can definitely look into this site. And the next free tools I want to introduce you to is actually a built-in design tools inside Zazzle. So it's basically you're on this page and you just click start creating. Then you'll be inside this built-in design tools where you could create your design for free. The last tool, and it's also the only paid tool I want to introduce to you today, is the Adobe Creative Cloud. It is pretty much the only Adobe software options you can get nowadays. You will get the latest versions of the Adobe Illustrators and Photoshop and many other different apps with a monthly membership. But you can also start a free trial just to test and see if this is the graphic design tool you want to use to create your designs. All the sites I mentioned, you will find them in the description for your convenience. So once you have your design ready, and if it's your first work on Redbubble, you will just choose upload new work. Then you will find the artwork on your computer and put them on the available products. Redbubble has over 70 unique products you can put your design on. This is not my design and it's not my shop, but I'm just using this as an example. Let's say you have submitted this new design on your shop, and you will get to see all these products that you could put your design on. Zazzle is actually a different animal compared to Redbubble, as well as many other print-on-demand websites. They claim to have over 300 million unique products listed on their site, according to Wikipedia. You can imagine there is actually a steeper learning curve on the Zazzle platform. And it is true, based on my personal experience. Here you can see how big of a menu Zazzle has on their platform. One thing very powerful about Zazzle is you can create your products as templates. Your customers can personalize your products themselves, and you still get paid for it for the sale. So you want to do research and get inspirations what kind of designs you want to create. You can use Amazon, Pinterest, Etsy, or some other research tools specifically for print-on-demand, which I can talk more about in my future videos. But in a nutshell, there are 3 basic design types you want to pay attention to. They are evergreen, seasonal, and trends. When you are doing your research and getting inspirations, make sure you are also checking for the trademarks. One site I use is called tmhunt.com. You simply put in the word you want to look up, and it will pull the official data for you. You do want to avoid copying other people's designs if you want to build a long-term and sustainable business online. Do not create Disney's or Hollywood characters or similar kinds if you don't have the permission to do it. However, Say if you are really into creating fan arts, there is actually an opportunity for you on the Redbubble platform. On Redbubble, there's actually a partner program you can participate, which allows you to create fan arts for sale legally on the site. You will learn about the brands and follow the rules. Make sure you check the guidelines and you tag your word properly. Once you submit it, there will be a review process before you can sell your fan art on the platform. Some of the brands we are talking about is Dune, Borderlands, Kiss, and if you want to see the whole list, you can go down here and click this link. Then you will get to see the whole list of brands in the partner program. So I will also put the link of the partner program for you to check out in the description. So once you put up your design and your products in your store, what is going to happen next? Actually, both Redbubble and Zazzle will promote your products for you, however they see fit with the algorithm. But it doesn't hurt that you also promote your products on your own. I use Pinterest mainly, and some Facebook groups that allow me to do it. You just have to follow their rules. So now we are on the second method, how to make money on Redbubble and Zazzle. It is called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can get paid by promoting any product you see either on Zazzle or Redbubble or both as an affiliate. An affiliate is someone who posts links to different products on their websites, blogs, mobile apps, other digital channels such as Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. If anyone from your audience buys anything through those links, you as the affiliate get a percentage of that total sale. So the first step is to apply for an affiliate program. And the best thing is they're also free to start. So here on the Zazzle affiliate page, you can see that you can earn 15% per sale with the Zazzle Associates program. It's basically the way they call their affiliate program. It's the same thing. And you can see here, you can get paid a percentage of sales when you share Zazzle products on your blogs, websites, social media, or via email. So it's any product you can find on Zazzle from any designer and any brand. And as for brand, we are actually talking about Disney's, Star Wars, Marvel's, Sesame Street's, DC Comics, Peanuts, and many more. So you don't even have to create fan art on Zazzle. You can just promote this branded product and get paid for it. So again, it is free to sign up for their affiliate program or associates program. You simply just go here and register, you'll be good to go. So down here is more details about the program you can go through and learn more about. Zazzle actually have another special program specifically for the Zazzle designers. It is called the Zazzle Promoter Program 2.0. If you promote your own products with your links, you get to earn a 35% referral with additional of your original royalty. Let's say if you originally set a 10% royalty for the product you sold, instead of getting 10%, you are getting 45% total for that sale. These are just wonderful programs Zazzle offer the designers can join and get benefit from. Now with Redbubble, I actually just recently discovered that they also have an affiliate program as I was doing my research for making this video. So I personally have not applied for it yet, but I will. So with Redbubble, you can see that it's just easy to sign up. It's a one-stop approval, and you can earn up to 10% commission plus bonus incentive opportunities. You just click these buttons and you can sign up for their affiliate program. So once you apply for these affiliate programs and got approved, the next step is you can start promoting products to your target audience with your affiliate links. As mentioned before, you can use your affiliate links on your websites, blogs, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. One thing to make sure you don't want to do is spamming your links. You want to be a responsible affiliate. Only promote the product you believe can benefit the right people in an ethical way. When you know you help the right people and get paid for it as an affiliate, it's a great feeling. So here goes my two major methods how to make money on Redbubble and Zazzle with my personal experience so far. If you like what you learn and you also want to get started, here's my recommendations for you. If you have no experience with print on demand at all, I suggest you create a free Redbubble account first. Fill out all the required information just to make sure you will get paid when you get sales. Try any of the free design tools I talked about earlier. You will find them in the description. Create your first design and publish it to your first print-on-demand online store. Try to apply your first design to as many products as possible that Redbubble offers, just so you get a chance to see how each product works. Spend some time to explore and get familiar with the Redbubble website. Take your time and be patient with building your foundation first. It will help you in the long run with this business. If you already have some experience with print on demand, but you haven't tried Zazzle yet, maybe you want to consider creating a free Zazzle account. Just like Redbubble, make sure you fill out all the required information just to make sure that you will get paid when you make sales. Also, try to create your first design and publish it to your new store. But as I mentioned before, Zazzle has a much steeper learning curve compared to Redbubble. So make sure you really take your time to learn how to navigate around. Chances are you will get a bit frustrated for a while trying to figure out where things are, but eventually you will sort of get used to it. And I highly suggest you apply for their associate program and their promoter program 2.0 as soon as possible for making your affiliate income. Just start finding opportunities to promote yours or other designers' products with your referral links. So you may ask, is it possible to make a full-time income with these business models? From what I've studied so far, I believe so. Early last year in 2021, I ran into Jen and Alker's YouTube videos. They are a mother and daughter living in Canada. They specialize in Zazzle alone, and they share their stories and knowledge of their Zazzle business on YouTube, podcasts, and their blogs. I joined their private Facebook group, and I have been learning from their free contents from time to time. Elka, the mother, she started her Zazzle journey in 2008, if I remember correctly, after she quit her six-figure income job. It took her a few years to learn about the business on her own, since nobody was teaching it back then. But when her Zazzle business took off a few years later, it was a brand new life for her and her family. Jane, the daughter, the highlight of her story was that she was able to live in Spain for 10 years without a work visa, all because of her Zazzle business allowed her to do so. It has been working for them for over a decade with just one print-on-demand platform. Now they have been teaching others how to work only 5 hours per week to make a full-time income on Zazzle. And for themselves, they are only working 4 hours per month, sometimes less, on their Zazzle business now. If you are interested to learn more about them, I suggest you listen to their podcast and consider joining their private Facebook group as well. I will put the information in the description for you. If you have watched the video up to this point, chances are you are finding it helpful to you in some way, and I appreciate you. Hitting the like button will encourage YouTube to show this content to more people who can benefit from it. And if you hit subscribe and turn on the bell, you will be notified when there are new updates on my channel. What other topics on print-on-demand and affiliate marketing would you like to know more about? Leave a comment and let me know so I can cover them in my future videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.